So the SCAW project is a new rail line going out to a new airport in Western Sydney. It's a 10.4 kilometre project with 3.5 kilometres of elevated viaduct. VSL's contribution to the project is, of course, erecting the viaducts that will ultimately be the elevated sections of the rail line. The precast yard is, of course, supporting that, where we make the precast segments. We transport them to site, they get erected, stressed together, and you have a span which the trains can run on later on.
On the Western Sydney Airport Metro project, we've used both false work and UTB.
The UTB is the acronym for Adjacent Temporary Beam.
The UTB is the main erection method due to its cycle of about 2.5 to 3 days per span, which is quite efficient compared to the false work, and also minimises the ground disturbance as the UTB bears on the columns, not on the ground. So we're quite used to working with different government bodies and designing our temporary works around dealing with different clients and needs to ensure the safety and efficiency of all projects. We're working with our time frame with Water New South Wales to ensure we cross the pipeline during winter when water usage is the minimum and not impact any drinking water for Sydney.
One of the main technologies that we're using here that aid in improving quality and efficiency and safety is actually the slice table to make the reinforcement. It allows fast repetition of the slices, improving safety, quality and efficiency with the slice tables.
Production with the rebar cages has been quite well actually. We've had to assemble over 1,000 and we've done it, I would say, successfully. We have 3 different slice tables running and 4 master jigs where we assemble the rebar cages. We use 3D modelling and we plan ahead as much as we can to avoid issues and to ensure that we can assemble the cage and meet the designer's intent at the same time.
VSL is becoming a leader in reusing temporary works for future stage. A good example is the access tower behind us. That's the second version of the access tower making improvements, as well as other things like the UTB consists of 250 tonnes. That has all been reused from multiple projects, as well as the segment lifting beam. This is the 3rd project, that's another 8 tonnes. Designing things for multiple use is improving the sustainability of VSL.
There's absolutely a sense of pride in delivering a project like this, something that's going to be there for future generations.
Being in precast yard has been a great pleasure for me and I'm quite honoured by being in this project.
The project not only delivers the rail line link that's required for the airport, but it also brings huge potential for community growth and development into the future. So come back here in 10 or 15 years and this place will look completely different, full of development and a new thriving community for Western Sydney.
The way we are organised here as a construction site is very different as it is organised in France. Especially in this company, we have a lot of people coming from different culture and different backgrounds, so they can add their way of working directly into their day-to-day work.
We all are working as a team, and in matter of fact, this is the 3rd job we are in an alliance partnership with VSL.
We all have the same uniform, we are all wearing the same clothes, and we are here all to achieve the same goal.
One project, one family, one team, and one dream.